If you've been experiencing nerve pain, tingling, numbness, or even muscle weakness, you know how difficult it can be to manage. For those unfamiliar, nerve damage occurs when nerves are harmed, disrupting the communication between your brain and body. This can result from various causes like injuries, diabetes, infections, or prolonged pressure on a nerve. The outcome? A range of uncomfortable, sometimes debilitating symptoms that can impact your daily routine. Here's the good news. Although professional medical care is vital, there are natural ways to help your body recover and heal. In this video, we'll introduce you to 9 amazing drinks that can help repair nerve damage and boost overall nerve health. These beverages are rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, all working together to reduce inflammation, protect your nerves, and promote regeneration. Whether you're trying to ease the symptoms of nerve damage or looking to proactively maintain your nervous system's health, this video has got you covered. So, sit back, hit the subscribe button, and tap the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health tips. Let's jump into these 9 powerful drinks that can make a real difference in your nerve health. Stay tuned. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is well known for its abundant antioxidants, especially catechins, which play a major role in minimizing inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 factors closely linked to nerve damage. These potent antioxidants protect nerve cells from harm caused by free radicals, which can lead to neurodegenerative disorders. Green tea also supports brain health by improving blood circulation and oxygen delivery to the nervous system. This enhanced flow aids in repairing and regenerating damaged nerves. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily can support nerve recovery and contribute to maintaining overall nerve function. Its neuroprotective effects make green tea an excellent natural option for supporting your nervous system. Number 2. Turmeric golden milk. Turmeric golden milk is a soothing drink packed with the anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective benefits of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin has been widely researched for its ability to lower inflammation and oxidative stress, both critical in preventing and healing nerve damage. By reducing inflammation, it helps alleviate pain and promotes the recovery of damaged nerves. Golden milk, made with turmeric, milk, often plant-based, black pepper, and spices, is a warm, nourishing way to incorporate turmeric into your routine. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that enhances the body's absorption of curcumin. Drinking turmeric golden milk regularly, particularly before bed, can have calming effects and support nerve health. This traditional remedy is not only comforting but also highly effective in aiding nerve repair and enhancing overall wellness. Number 3. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is an outstanding choice for supporting nerve health thanks to its high nitrate levels. Nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which improves blood circulation and oxygen supply to tissues, including nerves. Proper blood flow is vital for repairing and regenerating damaged nerves, ensuring they receive the nutrients and oxygen required for healing. Beetroot juice is also packed with antioxidants like betalains, which protect nerve cells from inflammation and oxidative damage. Its anti-inflammatory qualities further help to relieve nerve pain and discomfort. For optimal benefits, freshly prepared beetroot juice is recommended, as it retains the most nutrients. Adding beetroot juice to your daily diet is a natural and effective way to promote nerve repair and maintain healthy nerves. Number 4. Blueberry smoothie. A blueberry smoothie is a tasty and effective drink for supporting nerve health due to the high levels of antioxidants found in blueberries. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid with powerful neuroprotective properties. These antioxidants shield nerve cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major contributors to nerve damage and neurodegenerative conditions. By reducing oxidative stress, blueberries help preserve nerve function and encourage repair. Blueberries also enhance brain health and cognitive performance, further benefiting the nervous system. To maximize the advantages, blend blueberries with nutrient-dense ingredients like spinach, almond milk, and chia seeds. These add essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that are critical for nerve health. Incorporating a blueberry smoothie into your routine can be a delicious and efficient way to support nerve repair and overall well-being. Number 5. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a soothing beverage that offers multiple benefits for nerve health. Known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, chamomile helps to reduce nerve pain and inflammation, which are common issues in nerve damage. The active compounds in chamomile, such as apigenin, have been shown to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety, which can further help in managing nerve pain and discomfort. Drinking chamomile tea before bed can improve sleep quality, which is essential for the body's natural healing processes, including nerve repair. Additionally, chamomile's anti-inflammatory effects can reduce swelling and pressure on the nerves, promoting a more comfortable and healing environment within the body. Regular consumption of chamomile tea can provide gentle yet effective support for nerve health, making it an excellent choice for those dealing with nerve damage or looking to prevent it. Number 6. Bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense drink that offers substantial benefits for nerve health, particularly due to its high content of collagen, amino acids, and minerals. Collagen is essential for the repair and regeneration of the myelin sheath, the protective covering around nerves that is crucial for proper nerve function. The amino acids found in bone broth, such as glycine, proline, and glutamine, support the healing and rebuilding of nerve tissues. These amino acids also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce nerve pain and promote a healthier environment for nerve repair. Bone broth is also rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are important for overall nervous system health. Homemade bone broth is especially beneficial as it retains the most nutrients. Drinking bone broth regularly can provide your body with the building blocks it needs to repair damaged nerves and maintain overall nerve health. Number 7. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a powerful drink that supports nerve health through its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol and shogal, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. This is particularly important for those experiencing nerve pain or neuropathy, as reducing inflammation can alleviate pain and support the healing process. Ginger tea also improves blood circulation, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to damaged nerves, promoting their repair and regeneration. Additionally, ginger's warming effect on the body can provide comfort and relief from nerve-related discomfort. To enhance its benefits, ginger tea can be combined with lemon or honey, which add extra antioxidants and soothing properties. Regular consumption of ginger tea can be a natural and effective way to support nerve health, reduce pain, and promote overall well-being. Number 8. Dark chocolate cocoa. Dark chocolate cocoa is a delicious and beneficial drink for nerve health, thanks to its high flavonoid content. Flavonoids, especially those found in dark chocolate, have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that protect nerve cells from damage and support their repair. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to nerve damage and neurodegenerative diseases. Additionally, dark chocolate has been shown to improve brain function by enhancing blood flow to the brain and nervous system, which is crucial for maintaining healthy nerves. For the best results, it's important to choose cocoa with at least 70% cacao, as this ensures a higher concentration of beneficial flavonoids. Enjoying a cup of dark chocolate cocoa can be a comforting way to support your nervous system, protect against nerve damage, and promote overall nerve health, making it both a tasty and healthful treat. Number 9. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is a hydrating and healing drink that offers several benefits for nerve health. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins, including B1, B2, B6, and B12, which are essential for maintaining healthy nerves and supporting their repair. These B vitamins play a crucial role in nerve function by aiding in the production of neurotransmitters and the maintenance of the myelin sheath, which protects nerves and ensures proper signal transmission. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation and swelling around damaged nerves, promoting a more conducive environment for healing. Additionally, aloe vera juice is known for its soothing effects on the body, helping to alleviate nerve pain and discomfort. For maximum benefits, choose organic, pure aloe vera juice without added sugars or artificial ingredients. Incorporating aloe vera juice into your daily routine can support nerve repair and overall nerve health. By incorporating these drinks into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps toward enhancing your nervous system's function and supporting overall nerve health. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like the video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice.